Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, dual exhaust, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, hill assist system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2014 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.